When I select File, hover my cursor over New and select a new sequence. And from my custom presets, select 4K Sony 300 color sequence preset. Then Premiere Pro also applies audio and video tracks of the original preset. For example, it locks the audio track 1 and mutes the audio track 2. And there is no way to edit the preset from within Premiere Pro. So open File Explorer, select Documents, open Adobe, open Premiere Pro, open your Premiere Pro's version, open your profile folder, open Settings, open Custom. Here you could see all your presets. Make a backup copy of the preset that you want to edit, but you would have to edit the original preset. Double click on it and then select Notepad. This would then open the sequence preset settings and then find a section called audio tracks. And here you could see the audio tracks settings. For example, under M assign 1, you could see M locked is true. Change it to false. This would then unlock the audio track 1, and for the next track you could see M mute is set to true. Change that to false as well. This would then make sure audio track 2 is not muted, and then save the file, close the notepad, go back to Premiere Pro, and now when you select a new sequence and open the modified sequence preset, you could see now audio track 1 is not locked anymore and audio track 2 is also not muted. Since the sequence preset opened perfectly, now you can go back to the custom folder and delete the backup copy to keep things tidy.